You say you know your body, but have you ever seen what's happening inside right now? 11 systems all working, all alive, just to keep you breathing this very second. Have you ever heard someone say, I know this like the back of my hand? Well, do you really? You can see your skin, but not the millions of cells beneath it working together to keep you alive. Your body is made of trillions of cells. Each one carries your entire DNA code, but only uses the parts it needs for its job, like a muscle cell, a neuron, or a red blood cell. Cells build tissues form organs join together into organ systems, and all systems work like one big team to keep you alive. There are 11 major systems in your body. Each has a unique job, but none can work alone. Your heart never takes a break. It pumps blood through a massive network of arteries, veins, and capillaries, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. Digestion starts the moment you take a bite. From your mouth to your stomach to your intestines, each part breaks down food and extracts life-giving nutrients. Your endocrine system sends chemical messages, hormones that control growth, energy, mood, and even stress. Tiny glands with enormous power. Your excretory system keeps your body clean, removing toxins through the kidneys, lungs, liver, and skin. Every drop of blood gets filtered every moment. Your skin, the largest organ, shields you from the world. It heals, regulates temperature, and keeps everything inside protected from everything outside. Every move you make, every heartbeat, blink, or breath depends on muscle. Over 600 muscles pull, contract, and create the motion that defines life. Billions of neurons send electric signals across your body in milliseconds. Your brain thinks, your spine reacts, your nerves command every part of you. This system makes life possible. It carries the code of generations, the DNA that continues the human story. With each breath, oxygen enters your lungs and fuels your cells. Carbon dioxide exits your body's perfect exchange for life. 206 bones give your body structure and strength. They protect organs, store minerals, and even help make new blood inside. Right now, your immune system is protecting you. It detects, remembers, and destroys invaders, keeping your body's balance safe every second. From cells to systems, every part of you works together. You're not just a body, you're a masterpiece of living science. Subscribe for Human Body.